Welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how to send money through your Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Remitly application, and after that you will get to see a bunch of options into the home page. Now you just simply have to tap to this send button at the very middle at the bottom to send the money. Tap there, and after that you will get to see this page right here. Now you just simply have to select the amount to send. For example, I'm selecting 25 GBP and it will be 47.95 Australian dollar. And after that you can select the payment option of pay by card or pay by bank. Just simply select any of the option, and after that it will also show the flat fee and fee discount into here, and just simply tap to continue. And after tapping into continue, you just simply have to select bank deposit or cash pickup. I'm selecting cash pickup for now, and I'm selecting this money transfer right here. Now you just simply have to enter the name of recipient, then click to continue again, and after selecting continue you just simply have to enter the address of the recipient at very first. And after selecting all this information, again tap to continue. Then you just simply have to enter the mobile number of the receiver. For example, I'm selecting exactly similar number from here, and after entering the phone number, tap to continue. And now after entering all these details, you just simply have to enter first name, last name and date of birth. Just simply do this process, and after that click to continue. And now confirm your informations, and after doing all this you have to select your postcode, flat shoot or street line address and post town. Just simply do this all process. Now after doing all this, just simply tap to continue again, and at the very last you have to enter your phone number also and continue again. Now after doing all this process, you just simply have to add your payment method or bank, and after entering your details of payment method you can easily transfer the money. This way you can easily send money through Remitly. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.